Hope everyone's doing well. My name is EQ, aka the Certified Gem Hunter, and welcome to Stonkerholics. Today's episode, we're going to be going over a new gaming NFT. The token was just released in the last couple weeks. There's a lot of upside on this. The pre-sale is already available on the App Store and Google Play. Now, before we get into this video, if you could throw a like on the video, subscribe to our channel. If you want to come check out our Crypto Accelerator program, that would be greatly appreciated. We also have buy and sell signals available on our website. And to my right, you can see Miami Crypto Experience. I'm going to be teaching a workshop live there. The experience is going to be from November 10th to November 12th in Miami, Florida. Now, there's going to be a ton of keynote speakers, including the co-founder of Tether. There's also going to be a ton of workshops, including my technical analysis workshop. If you want to come take a live technical analysis workshop with me, I'll be releasing more information about that as well. Now, if you hit the link that's above, if you hit that link in the top corner, it's going to take you to where you can buy the tickets. The early bird tickets are available, as well as the metaverse tickets. In case you can't make it to Miami for the in-person event, you'll still be able to attend the event within the metaverse itself. Some other awesome things that are included is that the ticket is an NFT. You have the chance to win a McLaren when you buy the ticket, even the metaverse tickets. At the in-person event, there's going to be a bare knuckle fighting championship exhibition fight, and there's also going to be a live concert. The performer is to be announced. I'm also going to leave the link for all of this in the comment section and the description as well of this video, so if you want to check any of this out, make sure to click that link, and you'll be able to get all the information about our Crypto Accelerator program, our buy and sell signals, and the Miami Crypto Experience. So without further ado, let's get the intro rolling. So today we're going to be going over Heroes and Empires. It's currently ranked in the high 2000s on CoinMarketCap, sitting roughly at a market cap of 31 million. Now this is a rough guesstimate because this isn't the actual number. This has not been verified within CoinMarketCap. Now Heroes and Empires is currently sitting around 38 cents per token. It's a token because it's tied into the Binance Smart Chain. They have a max supply of 1 billion and a total supply of 1 billion, so it's finite, is deflationary. This was released on October 11th. It's only been out a week for public purchase. So this is still very new. You can see we got a nice spike from that. Now we're waiting to see price hopefully come down a little bit more to get a nice buying opportunity. We'll be talking about that later. But let's jump into what makes Heroes and Empires such a great game. This is a play-to-pay game. So play, earn, and trade. Now this is already available on Google Play and the App Store and web app as a pre-sale. It's going to be released on December 13th. But the fact that the game is already on there is a very good thing to see. Now, a big thing about Heroes and Empires are their exquisite digital collectibles that are created using blockchain technology. Each collectible is matchless, genuine, and varies in rarity. The Heroes and Empire universe has a lot of different races like human, goblin, elf, demon, beast, naga, god, and undead, which are waiting for the user to discover and collect. Now, you'll be able to immerse yourself in the fantasy world of H&E. The exceptional teamfight tactics RPG with visually stunning 3D graphics is going to be a crucial element to the gameplay. It's a play to earn, so you can lead your heroes into action-packed battles to win and earn rewards, including HE tokens and valuable NFT assets. And with GameFi, you'll be able to trade your NFTs on a full-stack marketplace or utilize those assets in H&E ecosystem to maximize profits through DeFi features such as staking, lending, borrowing, and NFT collateral. There's a lot of positive sentiment behind Heroes and Empire. You can see some of their tokenomics here. They've already been audited. If you want to go check out the audit, built on the Binance Smart Chain, available on PancakeSwap. Here's their contract. If you want to get involved with that, make sure to not put the wrong contract that could potentially be a scammer contract. Here's a look into some of their races. You have the Elf race, the Beast race, Demons, Goblins, God race, Human race, Nagas, the Undead. So there's a lot of stuff going on. If you want to learn how to play, you can click that here. A lot of news, a lot of positive updates about Heroes and Empire. Starpunk is going to be working with them for the full-scale NFT marketplace. You can see we're very early in this project. We're only into the second stage of the roadmap. They haven't even released their mainnet yet. There's no minting of the NFT heroes. So there's still a lot to be going on, including the release of the game. So we're getting into this very early. It's a great thing to see though, and it's an awesome opportunity for anyone that's interested in gaming NFTs and looking for one of the next gaming NFTs that could potentially become the next Axie Infinity. Now their team is stacked and has a lot of experience with gaming and within the crypto world, as well as their advisors, the CMO of DAOmaker, Starpunk, Thelen Arena, Raptor Capital, So there's a lot of capital money involved. Here's some of the investors and supporters. You have DAOmaker, Base Capitals, Crypto Checker, Venture Capitals, HC Capital, Crypto Family Capitals. There's a lot of investor money in this project. So I wouldn't expect this to go anywhere anytime soon. Once you put the fact together that they have all of these partnerships, all of this institutional money and the audits behind it, there's a lot of potential for this. This really could be the next Axie Infinity. I know a lot of times we hype it up, but this is one of those that it really could fill that potential. Especially considering that's going to be available on the app stores and you're going to be able to play this on your phone and you're going to be able to collect and earn NFTs and HE on your phone. That's huge. It's next level shit with this. So if this is something you're interested in and you do like NFT gaming, make sure to keep an eye on Heroes and Empires. And if it's something that you want to look into long term, you can start buying the coins now. They are available. Here's a quick look at their white paper, which is obviously really clean. They spent a lot of money on this and it's done very well. You can see their market cap compared to a lot of these other projects. We've talked about the Sandbox, we've talked about Axie, we've talked about Illuvium, we've talked about My Neighbor Alice, Mobox. My DeFi pet I messed with, but I didn't really like it. Crypto Blades look like boo-boo, so I didn't really play it that much. But Heroes and Empires, the opportunity's there. So if you want to look at straight market cap, this could potentially get to where Axie or even Sandbox is, and you're making a lot of money off HE. Now, this is one of the first gaming NFT projects that combines RPG gameplay and technology of the blockchain. Besides the play-to-earn element, the game also provides a fun gaming experience through high-end graphics, innovative auto-battler gameplay, and a competitive PvP. So yeah, it is an auto-battle system. Some people do have a problem with auto-battle, but if you don't care about that and you're just there to just kind of be entertained, that's definitely what it's for. All the major steps, how they're going to get new players, the DeFi aspects, the rewards, the NFTs, the tokens, and how you're going to be selling that to the exchange to cycle and funnel to the new players and back into the marketplace. There's the play to earn aspects of it, how it's going to be built out, the ranking systems, the PvPs, the quests. If you want to go through this a lot more, you can. They also have all their documentations on here as well, so you can go through all their tokenomics. You can go through the hero rarities, the gear, the artifacts, signature items. Every aspect of the game, it's all going to be transparent and it's all available within their docs. That's going to be available on their website, on the header. So it's really good to see the transparency, and I think that there's going to be a lot of positive sentiment with this project. The tokenomics make sense. Everything makes sense about the game. The institutional money is there. So keep an eye out on this. It might drop down just because it was recently released, but when you get a nice DCA in, that's not financial advice, by the way. None of this is financial advice, so make sure to trade at your own risk and use due diligence when trading. But this is the kind of project that can moon. So when you're getting that DCA, you might find some better buying opportunities, but don't wait out too long because you might miss out like a lossless. I was waiting for a 20-cent buy-in on lossless and miss out on that. That's going to be one of the upcoming YouTube videos. So we're waiting for a nice dip again on lossless since that just boomed, but you don't want to miss out on a project like Heroes and Empires, that's for sure. Now, because the chart is so new, this is one of the only places that I'll be able to find a chart for this. So you can see that this is a 4-hour chart. This is a brand new look. Hopefully we can find a support hold on the 34-cent range. That's what I'm looking for now. Maybe even down to the 32. We could potentially come down to the 21-cent range. Keep in mind, if we do get down to here, there's not going to be a floor. So there's not going to be much holding price if it does want to drop under 21 cents. So ideally, if you're waiting for a really long-term buy-in, it could be here, and potentially you might get more of a dip like something we saw with ICP. Now, I don't think that's going to be very likely because this wasn't listed on a bunch of major exchanges. This isn't one of those projects that people are going to be dumping. It's still a really low market cap. It wasn't placed in the top 10 right away. So I don't think this is going to be bleeding out like something like ICP would. But if I could get a 21-cent buy-in, I'll definitely be taking advantage of that. Even a 25-cent all the way up to around 33 cents is where I'll be looking for the main entry. You can see we're getting a nice little dip right now. This is a new project and the market is looking like it's having a little weakness. Now the volume has been completely stripped, which is really good to see. Hopefully this starts to get reintroduced and we see some seismic activity. Then we'll be looking to get in. You're getting the EMA crosses that are playing out. Remember, this is a lagging indicator, so when you got the cross over here, that would be the signal that this is going to be incoming. And this is being followed with this golden cross over the red, which is going to be the 30 crossing over the 10. So the 10 is going to be following. This close blue one is going to be the 5, and this is going to be the 30. So your short-term EMAs are going to be dropping under the long-term. If this continues to move up and bounce, we could see more of a dip. as we're doing this, is dropping more, which is a great opportunity and kind of the reason why we're talking about the video now, because the opportunity is starting to present itself for a good buying position. Now keep in mind, if Bitcoin wants to distribute and go through a distribution stage, this is going to be really well. This is going to do really good for the altcoins and altcoin season, which is ideally what we're looking out for right now. But all in all, if you're buying into this in a DCA, there's not really a bad time to buy. It's a really low market cap, so eventually it's going to correct itself and it's going to retrace and will fulfill back to where it should be going. And we're going to be laughing at the prices it's at now. This is one of those projects that can easily get to $3. I think this is one that can, like, I wouldn't say a definite 10x, but I'd say 70 to 80% chance of a 10x on a project like this, especially when we get closer to launch around December time. That's when you're really going to start to see the gains. But for anyone that wants to get into projects early rather than later, this is a great opportunity to get in at the floor, kind of like what we did with Polkar. The market cap sure is a lot higher than the Polkar market cap, but you can still get a lot from HE. Now this is going to wrap this video up. If you didn't get a chance to already, make sure to throw a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, check out our premium accelerator program or our buy and sell signals through Discord. That link is all going to be in the bio and in the comment section. We also have tickets available for the Miami Crypto Experience. They are early bird tickets, so they're cheaper than the tickets you'll see on the website. So make sure to take advantage of those before we sell out. They are limited. And if you want to get access to the YouTube videos early, come join our premium accelerator. I'm going to be dropping a couple videos. This is just one of the 3 that I'm going to be filming. So you'll see me wearing the same thing, but that's because we're filming them back to back to back. So if you want to see them all at the same time, instead of having to wait for them to be released on YouTube, make sure to come check out our premium accelerator program. And I hope everyone has a great morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on where you are in the world.